Welcome to DataStatPro, professional statistical analysis made clear and accessible. In the next 60 seconds, see how you can explore data, run powerful analyses, create visualizations, and generate publication-ready results, all without coding. Let's get started. Open DataStatPro.com. Click on Login button, provide registered credentials, and hit Sign In. Click on Import and browse the desired file. Click on Edit to preview the loaded dataset. From the top menu, choose the desired analysis. Let's do an ANOVA test. Specify required variables and hit Run Test. You will get the details analysis related to ANOVA. You can export complete APA-style ANOVA results with write-up as Word file. Let's do another analysis. Publication Ready Table 2. Go to Publication menu and choose Table to specify the comparison variable and factor variables and click on Generate button. It automatically decide best test based on assumptions check. You can also export it as a publication-ready APA Table 2 with write-up. Now, let's explore visualization capabilities. Go to Visualization menu and choose Desired Plot. Let's choose Box Plot Specify, required variable, to generate box plot with full summary. You can export the publication grade plot with PNG and SVG formats. Now let's explore the one of 100+ statistical calculators available in DataStatPro. Go to Calculators menu, choose AP Calculators, and then choose Case Control Calculator. Interactively enter the contingency table and click on Calculate. You will get detailed case control results which can be exported as Word. Another cool feature is to produce objective-oriented plot selection. Go to Publication and choose Publication-Ready Plots. Open Plot Builder and choose Objective from the list, and then choose desired available plot those can be made. For instance, choose Independent Groups and choose raincloud. Specify variables and chars visual controls and click Generate. Now quickly browse the 128+ statistical analysis located under different menus and on the top, descriptive, inferential, correlation, visualization, calculators, advanced, publication, and books. There is a comprehensive knowledge base looked under Help menu containing 70+ comprehensive tutorials. There is an AI DataStatPro Copilot always remain available for users' help and guidance. In addition, AI Analysis Assistant available in left sidebar, which provide assistance to users to choose and locate right analysis. For details, watch topic-specific tutorials. Bye for now. See you in another informative video of DataStatPro.